Hi guys, so I just wanted to really quickly tell you how to pronounce as when they are in the middle of words. So I just 2 seconds ago saw a comment on my channel that someone was asking if I could explain this to them because they were having troubles pronouncing the name Päivätär. Is that what it was? Let me just double check so I get the right word. Yeah, trying to pronounce Päivätär. She's from the Kalevala, so the Finnish epic poem, is that what it's called? And yeah, they've been researching for an hour, trying to figure out how to pronounce that name because they're having trouble with the a when it's not at the end of the word, but when it's in the middle. So I'll teach you how to say Päivätär, that name. Päivätär, so it's päivä, so like day. Päivä means day. So that's how you pronounce it. Päivä, 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 päivä. And you can, I guess, practice pronouncing it because ba is how it starts. Ba is head. Just P-A-A means someone's head. So päivä is, I guess, can you use that to pronounce? I mean, practice? Maybe. Might be helpful. I don't know. Try it out. Päivä. And then tär. I guess they were saying they have some difficulty with like the A-R. Tär. Tär. I guess it could be difficult if you're having trouble rolling your R and going from like R, could be hard. The letter R actually in Finnish is R, which is pronounced exactly how A-R would be said. So the letter R is pronounced R, which sounds like A-R. So you can, I guess, practice pronouncing like R, A-R, R. It's surprising, even for me, it's surprisingly difficult when you slow it down like that. R. Like, it is kind of hurting my cheeks. But the faster you go, the easier it is, at least for me. So yeah. Päivätär. The faster you go, of course, the a's become less pronounced. I don't know if that's just my lazy pronunciation, but I think in general, Finnish people, if they're just speaking, they tend to get a little bit lazy with pronouncing it as sharply, so it's not as strong of the ah, sorry, not as strong of like an ah sound, but it gets a bit more muddled. So I know I've gotten some comments like, oh, it sounds more like an A than an ah. Yeah, it's called lazy pronunciation. Well, I don't know if that's the real name, but that's what I call it because I didn't even know I did that until people pointed it out. So yeah, päivätär, 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 päivätär. So yeah, if I'm like just saying it in a sentence, I'd go like blah, 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 päivätär, blah, 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 blah. The Kalevala's character is called päivätär. Päivätär, 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 päivätär. That's how I would say it personally. Päivätär, päivätär. Hopefully that answers your question. If you have any other comments or questions, leave them down below. And I guess that just about concludes this video. So till next time.